I don't have the credentials to be a great leader. Who am I to be a leader? Those are the questions that I hear business owners asking themselves because they don't believe in themselves and they think that they need to get more education or get more experience or knowledge to do the thing they want to do. I mean, we would not have the things we have in this world if it weren't for people who did things that were outside of their comfort zone and outside of their ability. I mean, think about it. Elon Musk is a perfect example. He doesn't have an education that would equal where he should be in his life right now, but he's very creative, he's a designer, he's hardworking, and he gets things done and he gets the right people working for him. This is the kind of thing you can do. I mean, the evidence is overwhelming that education doesn't equal success. You don't need an MBA. I have a client, Walter. This guy, he is so intelligent, so smart, and has so much ability. Yet when it comes to doing things, he thinks he needs to have certifications in order to offer them. And lots of people do. And it's because of the fact that they don't believe that they can offer something that they're not qualified to offer. But who's measuring the qualification? How do we know whether that qualification is accurate or not, whether the education is going to equal qualification? It's just information. It doesn't mean that you're qualified. You have to go and do things and try and improve and test. That's the only way to develop that skill. And the key here is that people think that they're a fraud. They have this imposter syndrome idea that they're not qualified enough to do the things they're doing. But that's not true. Like I was saying earlier, I mean, look at the people in the world that are succeeding and doing amazing things like Elon Musk and Walter. I mean, he does great things, but he does go out and get credentials and try to get some sort of certification so he can wear that badge and have that certification beside his name. But does it really support him or not? Because honestly, people make decisions based on how much they know, like, and trust you. That's what's involved. So it's all about having the confidence, the competence, and the courage to do what you're doing and not letting this myth of I need more experience or more credentials in order to move ahead. So don't let that stop you when you're starting to think about the next thing you're doing in your business, and hold off, doing the actions that could move your business ahead rapidly.